very grubby. Hello. So I need some storage. Just here. For screws and chargers and stuff. I'd use my old storage systems, but I left them at the old house. 'Cause I'm crazy. I need something that is roughly 56 wide, or I could sort of inset it into this window frame. So let's say 50 wide. I think that's a good, nice round number. Also need to hunt for some timber, because I think I'm gonna need a little bit more. Pay no attention to that. We can't touch that. This looks alright. Looks like there's nothing wrong with it. Looks sturdy enough. Oh, maybe not. I'm sure we can do something with it. So I'm still living in a very half-moved house. But I have to figure out how to build that thing so I can store some of these things. Yeah. Behold, my Ryobi drawer. Yes. So, obviously this is a little bit too large. If we can cut these down about there, move all this assembly along to our desired 50. That might work as the base. I also need to find some timber to stabilize these legs because they're a wee bit wobbly. Oh, you get to see that point of view. That's amazing. I'm running away, Papa. Pam, I need to get out. No. Thank you, Pam. Let's give myself a slight advantage. Being able to actually work on a bench. That's probably a good idea. With music and dancing and fun times. It's better. I like trash and days and days, but unlike you, it's in a different way. Everything in that taking fine, but learning on way too hard to die. I'm the kind of guy you'll find wriggling in a dumpster. So I'm going to glue and Brad staple this together and then run some screws. All different.
I mean, grab your head from my house many times. Can I have a look in your shed and see what I find? Anything and everything, if not the things to do with. I'll carve it or things and probably have to live.
Guys, here's a demonstration of proper versus improper fastening for age, making things go a bit wobbly. These are the legs I just put in. Nice and strong. It is.
It depicts a small plastic toothpick submerged in a small glass
Woo!
tank of the artist.
So I'm going to squirt a bit of glue in there and put a screw through the back. Stop this from happening. Ah! Ah! Don't look at me in that tone of voice, sir. I always do. Yeah, you do. Oh. Little tiny things that you never think about when, well, that I never think about when doing recycled furniture projects. It's for a specific space, and these little wooden knobs are in the way. What the hell? Okay, so that fits alright, and I was thinking maybe this old tulip packing crate on top would be pretty good. I can't decide whether I want to have it like that. These shelves need a bit of work. Or like that, upside down. And these shelves definitely are going to need some reinforcing. But then we'll sort of have a lip edge where we can sort of drop things in. I'm going to think on it. Alright, I've done some measurement for what I want to store in there. That's these containers. And I am going to leave them this way up, but I'm going to get rid of these and stabilize everything just a little bit more. And hey, I might put a cheeky little surprise drawer down there. Why not? Let's do that now. Lost me glue brush. Oh, here's my glue brush. I think that's enough for tonight. It's like 8:40. Ooh. I don't want to upset the neighbours or pee off Saint Nicholas because it's Christmas Eve. Like and subscribe. Christmas is here, and I'm very, very full. Back to the shelves. That's disturbing. Oh, hello, Mr. Idol. How are you? Yeah, I know. Moving day. Gonna move all this for your bucks. Bro, you said it yourself. It's a nice day to start again. I made another one. Oh, hello, friend. Hello. And just to be clear, guys, I'm not putting any combination of these things in this shelf. The plywood's way too thin. This is just for like lighter stuff. I know that if I was to put these in, it'd be really, really hard to get them in and out. So, I hear you. Also, weird spacing, but I'm a weird guy, so. Got the original base from the table. Well, the original top from the table, but it's going to be the base of the shelves and the legs are going to go on it. You get it. Shelf. So, hinge and bracket I found. Random bracket I found. Holding it nice and sturdy on the wall. Everything's nice and sturdy. Even the janky table. It's a good thumbnail. What? I'm filming. She's crazy.